8 successive quarters of low growth meant that the year 2020-21 will end with negative growth, unemployment at a record high, poverty spreading like a disease, revenue targets missed, capital investment taking a hit, revenue deficit close to 5%, and the fiscal deficit exceeding by 7%. The FY 2021 was a disaster at the start and will be a catastrophe at the end of the fiscal year. The reality is, financial year 21-22 will also see a very slow and painful recovery. GDP growth will be modest, no more than 5%. Unemployment will remain high, the jobs that were lost will not come back, and the rate of creation of new jobs will be minimal. Exports and imports will be in the doldrums because of the protectionist policies. Inequality will grow. India will overtake Nigeria and become the country with the largest number of poor people. The Congress party has a prescription for the finance minister, who has the distinction of presiding over the first recession in 4 decades, to stem the decline and accelerate the recovery of the India economy. First, increase in expenditure on health infrastructure and defense. Second, impart a large fiscal stimulus to the economy that helps put money in the hands of the people and stimulate demand. Third, make direct cash transfers to 20 to 30% of the families at the bottom of the economy. Fourth, formulate and implement a rescue plan for MSMEs to revive closed units and recover the lost jobs and create new opportunities. Fifth, reduce tax rates, especially GST and other indirect tax rates. Sixth, increase government capital expenditure. Seventh, recapitalize public sector banks and encourage them to lend without fear of probe. Eighth, abandon protectionist policies, enter into bilateral trade agreements, and remove the bias against imports. Ninth, formulate revival packages for telecommunication, power, mining, construction, aviation, and tourism and hospitality. 10th, review and rescind amendments to tax laws that have been widely viewed as tax terrorism. 11th, initiate time-bound review of the regulations made by RBI, TRAI, CERC, and other regulatory agencies. 12th, solve the farmer crisis. 7 years of the Modi government have wrecked our economy and the prospects of high growth, but if the above measures are followed, it can help recover the Indian economy.